Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm an application engineer with the Gore Protective Venting business. I am going to demonstrate how a Gore protective vent will help equalize pressure within a sealed enclosure. These two enclosures, designed for outdoor use, are identical except that one has a Gore screw-in vent and the other enclosure is not vented. We have made identical modifications to each enclosure, such as adding a light bulb to simulate electronics heating the enclosure, PID to control the internal temperature through the light bulb, pressure ports with probes. All port modifications have been secured with a silicone sealant to assure no leak path exists. First, we turn on the heat source to simulate ambient or electronics heating. The graph on the top of the screen is showing the pressure within the enclosure, while the graph on the lower section of the screen is showing the temperature build. Focusing on the pressure graph, we see the non-vented enclosure, red line on the graph, is gradually increasing internal pressure, while the vented enclosure, green line on the graph, has virtually no pressure build. This increased pressure in the non-vented enclosure is putting a strain on the seals. Next, we will turn off the heat source and submerge the enclosure into ice water. This is to mimic a rapid temperature change in the real environment, such as during a rainstorm. The non-vented enclosure, red line on the pressure graph, is pulling a vacuum, while the vented enclosure, green line on the pressure graph, continues to equalize pressure through the vent. Over time, one can expect that the constant expansion and contraction of the seals due to pressure changes will cause them to weaken, making liquid and other contaminants likely to enter the enclosure. Gore protective vents are constantly equalizing pressure, which will maintain the seal's integrity over the long term. If you have any questions on how a Gore protective vent can help make your enclosure more robust, please visit gore.com/protective vents or call 1-800-523-4673.